Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gadgets Pocket.
Apple just unveiled the full iPhone 17 lineup, and it's one of the biggest upgrades in years. From the standard iPhone 17 to the all-new Pro Max, here's everything you need to know before you buy. This year's lineup includes the iPhone 17, 17 Plus, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max. All models now feature Dynamic Island, USB-C, and a slimmer design. But there are still big differences under the hood. The Pro models now use next-gen titanium frames, making them even lighter than last year. The bezels are thinner, and Apple has introduced new finishes with a matte glass back that resists fingerprints. The Pro models are powered by the new A19 chip, delivering up to 50% faster CPU and over 2 times faster GPU performance compared to iPhone 13. Paired with a 120Hz Pro Motion display, it's built for smooth gameplay, AI features, and demanding creative workflows. The base iPhone 17 still uses the A17 chip with a 60Hz display. iPhone 17 debuts with iOS 19 and Apple Intelligence, bringing a fresh new look and smarter features across the board. From AI-powered suggestions to more personal interactions, your iPhone just got a whole lot more intuitive. Apple has upgraded all cameras to 48 megapixels this year, but only the Pro Max gets the new 6x periscope zoom. Video stabilization, night mode, and smart HDR have also been improved across the board. iPhone 17 delivers all-day battery life, with up to 11 extra hours of video playback and 50% charge in just 20 minutes using a 40-watt adapter. More power, less waiting. Here's a side-by-side comparison of all 4 iPhones. You'll see differences in screen size, battery life, camera hardware, and price. The Pro Max is still the top-tier flagship, but the iPhone 17 and 17 Plus bring a lot of value. All iPhone 17 models come with 3 free months of Apple TV Plus, and they support the latest accessories like MagSafe Duo, Apple Watch Series 10, and the redesigned AirPods Pro. If you're a power user or love photography, go for the Pro Max. If you want a solid upgrade from an older iPhone, the iPhone 17 or 17 Plus is the smarter choice. Apple's made sure there's something here for everyone. Which iPhone 17 are you getting? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos just like this. Thank you for watching. For more information, follow our channel Gadgets Pocket. Please like, share,